Welcome back to Adventure 4x4 Garage. The 2026 Renault Grand Captur SUV. Renault has taken the Captur lineup to new heights with this latest model, offering a bold design, enhanced performance, and a premium interior. Let's take a closer look at what this SUV brings to the table. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Grand Captur SUV showcases a refined yet aggressive design. The front features a striking grille with Renault's signature emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that extend seamlessly into the body lines. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic creases add to its modern appeal, while the larger wheel arches give it a rugged stance. The side profile is enhanced by sharp character lines and chrome accents, while the rear boasts a redesigned LED taillight setup connected by a stylish light bar. The overall design is a blend of sportiness and sophistication, making it stand out in the competitive SUV market. Under the hood, the Grand Captur SUV is expected to offer a range of powertrain options, including fuel-efficient petrol and hybrid engines. Renault has likely fine-tuned the engine lineup to balance performance with eco-friendliness. The hybrid variant should provide excellent fuel economy without compromising power, making it ideal for both urban commuting and long-distance travel. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride by absorbing road imperfections, while the precise steering offers confident handling. With multiple driving modes, the SUV can adapt to different terrains, giving drivers more control and comfort. Inside, the Grand Captur SUV boasts a high-tech and spacious cabin. Premium materials such as soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create an upscale feel. The dashboard is centered around a large touchscreen infotainment system, featuring the latest connectivity options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, while a wireless charging pad and multiple USB ports add to the convenience. Passenger comfort is prioritized with ample legroom and headroom, and the rear seats can be adjusted or folded to expand cargo space. The panoramic sunroof further enhances the cabin's airy and luxurious feel. Pricing for the 2026 Renault Grand Captur SUV has not been officially announced yet, but it is expected to be competitively priced within the compact SUV segment. Different trims and optional packages will allow buyers to customize their vehicles according to their needs and budgets. Given Renault's focus on value for money, this SUV is likely to offer an excellent combination of features and affordability. With its refreshed design, improved performance, and premium interior, the 2026 Renault Grand Captur SUV is set to be a strong contender in the market. Whether you're looking for a stylish family SUV or a tech-loaded daily driver, this model promises to deliver on all fronts. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach its official launch.